Let us see some common words that starts with letter A, which we use in our daily life. Now let us see the words that we are going to learn today. The first word is abundance. The second is apology. The third is ancient. Fourth, adapt. And fifth, approve. Now let us learn the first word, abundance. Meaning for the word abundance: extremely plentiful or over-sufficient quantity or supply. Let us see some synonyms for abundance: bounty, plenty, profusion. Now let us frame a sentence using the word abundance. There is an abundance of fresh vegetables available in the market. The next word we are going to learn is apology, and the meaning: an act of saying that you are sorry for something wrong you have done. Synonym: remorse, sorry, and excuse. Now let us frame a sentence using the word apology. She owes you an apology. Now, here comes the word ancient. We often have heard this word ancient, meaning of or from a long time ago, having lasted for a very long time. Synonym for ancient: age old, out of the arc, and antique. Now, here is the sentence using the word ancient. The ancient Romans built one of the greatest empires in the world history. The fourth word is going to be adapt, which we commonly use in our day-to-day life. The meaning: to make fit, often by modification. Synonyms for the word adapt: modify, adjust, fit. Let us make a sentence using the word adapt. When children go to a different school, it usually takes them a while to adapt. Now, the fifth word is approve, which we use in official language, and the meaning is officially agree to or accept as satisfactory. The synonyms for the word approve can be agree, accept, support. Let us frame a sentence using the word approve. Our proposals are formally approved by our higher officials. Now, here comes the question time. All you have to do is to find out the meaning for the following words and frame a sentence for each word on your own and pick out few synonyms for those words. The first word is going to be appreciate. The second one, afflict. The third one, agitation. Fourth, accumulate. And fifth, aware. With this, we have come to end of this session. Hope to see you soon with new words again next week.